Republican opposition to any Supreme Court nominee by President Obama may be politically popular, a new poll claims. Majority Whip John Cornyn shared the poll findings with members of the Republican Senate Conference. Bryan now takes a closer look at the effect of the Supreme Court having only 8 judges and what lies ahead in the process.
I don't see this as the end of the road at all.
Orange County school teacher Rebecca Friedrichs has been fighting the fight to end mandatory union dues for teachers for 21 years, the last 3 years in the federal court system. So she says the Supreme Court's 4-4 deadlock this week in the case that bears her name, Friedrichs versus California Teachers Association, is just another bump in the road, not the end. The attorneys working on her behalf are expected to file for a rehearing soon.
We are definitely very hopeful that another justice will be placed on the court and that we will be able to re-argue this case. We feel we have a very strong case and we will argue it in front of any 9 justices that are in that court.
Of course, ultimately, the outcome of the Friedrichs case and many others will depend on whom succeeds Justice Antonin Scalia on the high court. And with Senate Republicans digging in their heels on President Obama's choice, Merrick Garland, no confirmation action is likely until after the November election. And if the Democrats win the White House, LA Attorney Macon Delrahim, former chief counsel and chief of staff for the Senate Judiciary Committee, says Garland's nomination could still be in trouble from some members of the president's own party.
The interesting thing at that point will be whether or not Democrats will filibuster Judge Garland's nomination, wanting, a 45-year-old or 42-year-old clear liberal by, President Clinton to be nominated in the future.
In fact, Delrahim says the next president could appoint 2 or 3 more justices, since many of the current justices are in or closing in on their 80s, like Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
You also have Justice Kennedy, Justice Thomas, Justice Bryan, who are all approaching the ages up there where they could either retire or be forced into retirement due to health reasons. That next president could have a major effect on either swinging the Supreme Court one way or the other.
All of which leads back to Rebecca Friedrichs, who hopes her case will survive the first of those changes coming soon.
I hope that we're not just a piece of history for what's already happened, so that we can actually have an impact on labor law in this country.
But thousands of other California teachers are rooting against Friedrichs' lawsuit. They feel that teachers need the benefits and protection that union membership provides, and they feel paying dues is one thing they should be doing. In the newsroom, Bryan, KCAL 9 News.